anti-TH propaganda. I can't.
Peter here can't say his THs.
I can't say TH.
Alright, what is this?
That is a digit of your hand.
It's a tongue.
So, normally say is this, that, there. Do you see that? I'm saying it with a D, right? So it's just saying, I have to really think about what I'm saying. Thumb.
Yes,
thumb.
a tink.
Yeah, think about it.
Think about the tings.
Because I think it's actually at the physical level. Our tongue, our vocal cords or something are made. This is science now. What I might call for. I don't know if you can do this. Somewhere we can change. Because there's no purpose to the TH sound, right? So I'm proposing that we change.
Wait, what do you mean there's no purpose for the TH sound?
As in, we can have the word T-U-M-B for your fucking tongue. Tongue. What I'm saying is, if you put in T-U-M-B, there's no ambiguity there. Do you know? Everyone knows what you're talking about. It's called tongue, and Irish people can be more accepted in.
This man just asked me how my tongue is, and I was thinking he was asking how my stomach was feeling.
So instead of that, it's D-A-T, right? Instead of T-H-I-S, it's D-I-S. D-E-R. There's no other word spelled like this.
Wait.
No, exactly.
What is D-E-R?
D-E-R for T-H-E-R-E.
You're just gonna start taking out other letters now?
Okay.
Also say, how do you say R?
Well, here's another.
How do you say R?
R.
No, you don't.
I say or, okay.
Or.
Say or. Okay. Now I don't mean you have to get rid of the TH at the end of words, like smooth. I'm not saying smooth, right? I'm saying smooth. That's fine. It's when the word starts with TH. That's my problem, okay? So
smooth.
Smooth. That's like an extra word at the end of it. You know what I mean?
We could just swap them. So instead of there, it'll be dare. Instead of dear, it'll be veer.
No, because that's just very
Or
confusing.
tear.
No, yeah. And there's so many words out there with TH. True. So what
Do you
I'm
say
saying,
true?
I'm saying true.
True. So like true or false.
Yeah, I say true. So let's just change it
So
to true.
let's go true the door.
Yeah, okay.
True the Thor.
So that's a good
True
point.
the
That's
Thor.
a good point because the D won't always work. With words like true, the D, like we're not going to say drew. Do you know what I mean? That would just be silly. So
Drew
yeah.
Drew the Thor.
Yeah, exactly. So we can't have that, right? But with TH words that have the kind of, they can have the D sound, like there, then, this.
There,
that,
then, this,
think.
that, think.
Yeah. Instead of THOSE.
If you're Irish, let me know if you struggle with this as much as...
I'm an anti-TH propaganda. Right?
Okay, wait,
It's
so
just
you
like-
want us to take out TH and have a T, but yet you're not okay with the fact that we took out U in favor.
Yeah, because what we need
You're
to
just adding and subtracting random letters now.
But I just think the word, America should get behind the silent letter. It doesn't really...
We have plenty of silent letters.
Like what? Phone? PH.
It's not silent. If it was silent, it would be pone.
Alright, okay.
When you put the P and the H together, it becomes an F sound.
No.
If you're cooking and you have strawberries and chocolate and you put it together, you have the, what is it, Neapolitan ice cream. And it's a whole new flavor. They're not silent, they're just combined. Such as when you put a P and an H together, they're not silent, they're just combined.
Oh, how do you spell Phuket?
Phuket.
And how do you pronounce it?
Phuket.
Yeah.
But that's Thai, that's not American. We're not here to discuss Thai.